Hey everyone, welcome to the Thinking Crypto YouTube channel. My name is Tony. It is Tuesday, April 16th. I have some big news to share with you guys. This is of course not financial or investment advice. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Also smash the like button. Let's take a look at the prices here in the market. We are seeing green across the board from a 24-hour perspective. Yesterday, we were seeing a pullback, a minor pullback between 1% to 3%, but we are seeing green across the board here, and things are moving upward. Bitcoin currently at $5,227, Ethereum at just over $167, XRP just over 32 cents. So great to see green, and I think certainly there's a bullish sentiment in the market. Are we in a full-on bull market? No, I personally don't believe we are. I think once Bitcoin crosses over that 6,000 mark, we will be. And I think by the end of April, we could see a $6,000 Bitcoin. Now, the market moves with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes up, the market goes up. If Bitcoin goes down, the market goes down. We haven't decoupled yet. So we're using Bitcoin kind of as a measuring stick here, so to speak. And it's setting the trend, the tone for the entire market. But good to see green here, guys. And let's hope this continues and we see that $6,000 price mark at the end of April. And then we go higher than that. So I personally believe we're in that phase of moving from bear to the bull market, but we're not in a full-on bull market. Now, some may disagree. Some people said we could still go down, but let's see how things play out. Now, we continue to see a lot of building in this new asset class, a lot of infrastructure being set up both by the big money as well as the governments. And that's a great sign. The future of this market is so bright. And we have eToro. As you guys know, eToro is a platform that existed before cryptocurrencies where you could trade stocks and different things like that. I personally interviewed the senior analyst at eToro, Matty Greenspan, about 3 to 4 times. My most recent interview with him was a month ago where he talked about their expansion, eToro's expansion to 31 states in the US, and also potential to use Ripple X Rapid, and because we saw the CEO of eToro hanging out with Chris Larson from Ripple, and he mentioned that he's learning about X Rapid. So let's see what they do here. But they have launched Etoro X, guys. So a blockchain subsidiary of social investing platform eToro has launched crypto exchange along with 8 branded stablecoins. Very interesting, a lot of stablecoins. The new platform is being managed by Etoro X, which is regulated by the Gibraltar Financial Services Commission. Trading in 6 cryptos will be offered at launch: Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ether, XRP, Litecoin, and Dash. Also available will be 37 crypto to fiat pairs, for example, Bitcoin to USD and XRP to the Great Britain pound. So more exchanges, the better. More competition, the better. This is a great sign, and there's a lot of building happening here, guys, and it's beautiful to see. And what excites me is when you have these non-traditional crypto companies coming into the crypto market. That is a big indicator because the writing's on the wall, where we're headed, the token economy, everything will be tokenized. So they tweeted here, eToro X launching today. So beautiful thing to see here. And like I said, you can check out my interviews with senior analysts at eToro. I'll put a link to the most recent video in the description so you guys can check that out. I will try to have a follow-up interview with Matty to give an update on the eToro X launch. Now, moving ahead, Amazon's rival in Japan, Rakuten, we've talked about them, where they purchased a crypto exchange and they're launching a crypto wallet service. Well, they've opened up that wallet for registrations. Big things happening here, guys. Let me give you the details. Japanese e-commerce giant Rakuten has thrown open the account registration process for its cryptocurrency trading services, Rakuten Wallet. The company plans to launch the exchange in June, and prospective users who wish to use the platform will now be able to sign up for the same. Popularly known as Amazon of Japan, and famous for providing cashbacks, Rakuten revealed its plan for the crypto exchange service last month. And let's see here. Getting started. Users must hold an account with Rakuten Bank to sign up for the wallet service. Here's a quote. Customers who have a bank account of Rakuten Group's Rakuten Bank can start opening an account by entering necessary information on the web application format. Very, very interesting stuff here, guys. And they're big in Japan. And we know Japan is very bullish on crypto. Bitcoin is a legal currency in Japan. That's how bullish they are. And we know that SBI Virtual Currency, I should say SBI Group, which owns SBI Ripple Asia, SBI Virtual Currencies, they are big on XRP, in getting XRP leverage, and they're based in Japan. So big things happening in Japan, guys. They're leading the market here. The launch of the Rakuten wallet is the latest in a series of steps that the Japanese internet giant has undertaken to integrate cryptos into its operations. So this is what I'm talking about. I get excited when I see traditional companies coming into this market. It's not just homegrown from the crypto, like a crypto exchange that just popped up. These are companies that have other revenue streams and products and services that existed even before the crypto market. So this is beautiful. Here's a quote here. Rakuten Wallet will contribute to the sound growth of the market as a virtual currency exchange company and will further enhance security and provide enhanced services so that more customers can use it safely and with confidence. Rakuten's rollout of its own crypto exchange will boost crypto adoption. Amazing, guys. Apart from trading crypto assets, consumers making purchases on the e-commerce site might be able to make payments using Rakuten Wallet as well. So we have to get confirmation on that, but it seems that's the way they're headed. Now, if they do this, expect other sites like maybe Alibaba and Amazon. And I believe Amazon's working on something because we saw they bought domains. We see they're allowing people to build blockchains via their cloud services on the Hyperledger as well as Ethereum. Amazon's working on something, so it's only a matter of time, right, guys? And then, if Amazon does it, it's over, man. It's going to be pretty amazing, and many other companies are going to follow suit. So Kucoin exchange traders can now self-custody their own crypto assets. This is very interesting and might be setting a new trend. Cryptocurrency exchange Kucoin has launched a feature allowing users to custody their own crypto assets while trading. For the feature, Kucoin has integrated a new technology from Boston-based startup Arwen, which allows traders to maintain control of their private keys while trading on centralized exchanges. Here's what the Kucoin president Eric Don said. The service will enable investors to trade in a centralized platform without worrying about their fund safety. This is might be the way to go because we're seeing decentralized exchanges popping up, but I don't know if anyone is doing the decentralized exchange like Binance, doing it perfectly, as though I don't know if they can do it fully decentralized, but this is a great option. You control your private keys. So if anything happens, you still have your crypto. You don't lose it. I think this is a trendsetter here. I think this is a new great way to go about it. Arwen said that with its technology, trades are executed via layer 2 blockchain protocol that allows traders to benefit from the full liquidity and speed of the centralized exchange's order book. The startup went on to explain that it enables secure trading between parties without the need for trust by relying on the traded cryptocurrency's native blockchain. For example, security for trading Bitcoin is provided by the Bitcoin blockchain, while security for trading Bitcoin Cash is provided by the Bitcoin Cash blockchain. It said this is in contrast to other approaches, which acquire the introduction of a completely new blockchain that traders must trust. Very interesting here, guys. Very, very interesting. I think this could be a new trend, and it will protect people's funds where you're leveraging the blockchain respectively. The only thing that I foresee might be an issue is with Bitcoin and its slow network, right? Now the Lightning Network may solve that, but coins, or I should say like digital assets like Stellar or XRP, which are very fast, would not have that issue. But this is still, I think, the way to go, because I don't know if you can fully have a decentralized exchange. I might be wrong, but this is a very smart way to approach it. So let's see how it develops. Update here on Arca funds files with SEC to issue Stablecoin-Like digital shares on the Ethereum blockchain. Guys, I keep sharing news like this about these different folks who are building on the Ethereum blockchain. It's why I'm most bullish on Ethereum. As you guys know, I diversify. I hold Bitcoin, Litecoin, XRP, Ethereum. I have Stellar, I have Cardano. So I diversify, but I'm most bullish from a smart contract standpoint, Ethereum. And I've shared many reasons why. Arca Funds, an American institutional-grade investment manager, is seeking regulatory approval to issue digitized securities on blockchain. And once again, token economy, right? Where we're headed. The company has filed with the U.S. SEC to issue its Arca UST coins, digitized shares that would be authenticated and then recorded in a form of ERC20 compatible tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. So, man, this is not financial advice, but I personally hold Ethereum in my portfolio, and I believe it is something that people should have. If you diversify, you should have Ethereum. Now, moving ahead here, we've talked about XRP being integrated into Skype, or the potential for it to be integrated in Skype, because the Skype folks on Twitter responded to a tweet from folks in the community, and Weiss Ratings recognized that, and they tweeted the following: XRP may be soon integrated into Skype, picking up access to 300 million users for their XRP Tipbot app to send messages to users. XRP Tipbot can already be used with Outlook, Reddit, Twitter, Gmail. More adoption. I'm most bullish on XRP overall, right? I know I mentioned I'm bullish on Ethereum, but it's from a smart contract standpoint. As far as my entire portfolio, you guys have seen it. It is the biggest chunk of my portfolio is XRP. So the adoption is happening. There's a lot of building happening, a lot of use cases. The writing's on the wall. I'm about facts and making sure that I'm not involving my feelings, but the building is happening here, guys. You guys may have heard about the Notre Dame fire, which is sad, in Paris, a historical landmark building there, right? Well, BlockShow is launching a crypto fundraising campaign for the Notre Dame reconstruction. So this is very interesting. And, you guys can donate if you want, but also look at where we're headed, right? Where funds are now going to be raised with crypto and on the blockchain and so forth. So they're going to help with the raise funds for the rebuilding here, guys, the reconstruction. And if you'd like to support, check it out. But these type of things, while it's not a happy scenario or happy situation, it's also showing that the adoption or the utility that's being put into place here to help solve real world problems, whether that's crowdfunding, fundraising, whatever it is, right? And another item here, CoinDesk, they have a hackathon. Apply to join us in New York City to win cash prizes, new contacts, and respect and admiration for our sponsors. So Consensus, as you guys know, is coming up in May. A lot of people are going to be there, but they said they're looking for top blockchain developer talent to join us for a weekend of hacking. So if you guys are coders, or you know how to build blockchains and so forth, or you know somebody, let them know. You can win some money, get some exposure, which would be great. I've talked on this channel about the employment opportunities, right? The writing's on the wall where we're headed. Blockchain is going to be big, and it's going to affect every industry. So if you are looking for a career change, blockchain might be the way to go to be a developer. And I mentioned that I want to take some coding classes and learn how to build blockchains, because the disruptive technology is coming. So you want to stay ahead and be relevant, in case you need to change jobs, or you never know how the economy may go. It's good to think about these things ahead of time. Finally, fake Toshi, Craig Wright. I'm not going to go too much into this, but I want to let you guys know. He allegedly submitted a fake email in the Dave Kleeman lawsuit. So on Reddit, this was exposed, showing that he submitted a fake email, and the information, he was saying the email was sent in 2012, but it was actually 2014. And it all ties into when Dave Kleeman passed away. So once again, a scammer is doing his normal scam things, right? He's a liar, a faker, a douchebag. So I'm not even going to give him that much airtime here. We're talking about it, but just so you know, this is happening and you guys can read up on it. But this guy's a joke, and we see that Bitcoin SV is getting delisted everywhere, which is great. I think everybody's on board with that. But I just want to let you guys know. So guys, what do you think about this news? Think we can see 6,000 by the end of the month for Bitcoin, and as well as all these launches and things that are happening. Very big building and investing happening, guys. It's great to see, and I hope you're as excited as I am, because the future is very bright for this market. So Leave your thoughts and comments below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description. Thank you to my Patreon supporters, and I'll talk to you all later.